The electric cars are manufactured here in Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou. This is 100% electric. Burkina Faso is not what you are thinking. A lot of people are saying that Burkina Faso is not safe. Come and see with your eyes. Americans lie to us. This is the truth about Burkina Faso.
Je suis confortable. Yes. On est vraiment content d'avoir des cars électriques parce que vraiment on est content parce que tu vois il n'y a pas de pollution. C'est vraiment très bien. On est content. On a même des taxis locaux qui conduisent en ville. C'est électrique.
Are you sure it's being manufactured in Burkina Faso?
Burkina Faso, a landlocked country in West Africa, has a rich history dating back to ancient times. The region was home to powerful kingdoms like the Mosai Empire, which resisted French colonization. Burkina Faso was colonized by French in the late 19th century and gained independence in 1960. Same year, Nigeria got their independence. The country experienced numerous coups and political instability, with various leaders vying for power. Ibrahim Traoré is a military officer who rose to prominence within the Burkina army. Traoré led a military coup in January 2022, overthrowing President Rochmark Christian Kabore. Traoré has since become the president of Burkina Faso, promising to restore stability and security in the face of growing jihadist threats. Traoré's presidency is marked by efforts to combat terrorism, stabilize the country, and improve the lives of Burkinabés.
The people of Burkina Faso believe that he is the reincarnation of Thomas Sankara.
CNN, BBC, France 24. I'm watching you all. I'm recording every lie. I'm archiving every distortion. I am Ibrahim Traoré.
Join me, guys, and let's tour around Burkina Faso.
Hello, wonderful people. You're welcome back again to the channel. It's your boy Sunny Media. I'm currently at Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou to be precisely, the capital city of Burkina Faso. There are amazing things happening in Burkina Faso that you guys do not know. I'm going to reveal all the good things happening in Burkina Faso here. The media will not tell you. Do you know that in Burkina Faso, they manufacture electric cars? Yes, you heard me right. Here will be my starting point, just to show you those electric vehicles and how amazing they are. 100% electric. So we'll be going inside. Let me show you the one outside first. Look at one of them here. You see the city of Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou. Yeah, here is one of them. It's called Sahel. They have different names. They call each of these vehicles. And here is another one, guys. They are all electric vehicles. So right now, let me take you inside for us to see more of these cars, and you will be amazed. Trust me. Let's go. Here is the showroom for the electric cars manufactured here in Burkina Faso. It's called Tanakulu. Is that? Am I correct? Let me show you the inside. They're manufactured here in Burkina Faso, guys. Ouagadougou. This is amazing, guys. This is 100% electric, manufactured here in Burkina Faso. Are you sure it's being manufactured in Burkina Faso? Oh my goodness. Let's try this. Bye bye, you. Wow. Guys, just take a look how beautiful everything is. Looks like, I'm short of words, guys, that these beautiful electric vehicles are being manufactured here in Burkina Faso. You can see, very nice. Oh my God. Oh, look at the back. Guys, Burkina Faso is not what you are thinking, guys. A lot of people are saying that Burkina Faso is not safe, it's not a safe place. Guys, come and see with your eyes. Americans lie to us. A lot of good things is going on in Burkina Faso. We are here to tell you all the truth. This is the truth about Burkina Faso. Here are some of the things we are talking about Africa. Africa is great. Here is Burkina Faso, manufacturing cars, electric.
You are feeling comfortable with the car, the electric car.
Talk to them in French.
So, on est vraiment content d'avoir des cars électriques parce que vraiment, on est content parce que tu vois, il n'y a pas de pollution. C'est vraiment très, très, très bien. On est content. On a même des taxis locaux qui conduisent en ville. C'est électrique. Donc, on va dire vraiment, c'est très, très, très bien. On va dire, Dieu merci.
Dieu merci, Dieu merci, Dieu merci. Guys, let's check other vehicles out there. You look at this place, you can see a lot of them are here. This is just the showroom. There are more in the factory. Look at this one, guys. Look at this place, you see the kilometers, the goals too. This one, 1,200 kilometers. See this one can run to 1,200 kilometers. See the battery. This is the number to call. Yes, Itaoua. You can see this one too. All being manufactured here in Burkina Faso. Take a look. This is Burkina Faso, manufactured here. Before I was thinking that it's only Tesla that produces or manufactured electric vehicles, not knowing that it's also being manufactured here in Burkina Faso by Itaoua. Guys, this is not Tesla. This is Itaoua electric car manufacturers in Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou. Just take a look, guys. Guys, just take a look at this. You see that? This is not Tesla. Americans lied to us that there's nothing in Africa. Africa is great. It is you that don't want to travel around to see. All these cars I'm showing you are being manufactured here in Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou, the capital city of Burkina Faso. I am short of words, guys. This is not Tesla. I always repeat myself. This is Itaoua electric car manufacturers here in Burkina Faso. You need to come and purchase one for yourself or for your family. The number is there already. I've showed you their contacts. You can contact them, or you come by yourself to this showroom and pick one for yourself. You can equally gift me one. Look at what we have been telling you, guys. If we're telling you, you think, wait, what are you even thinking about Africa? Let me ask you, what are you even taking Africa for? That nothing is going in Africa? That Africa doesn't know anything? Is that what you are thinking? Is that what is in your mind? If that is your mindset, now we are showing you the great things happening in Africa, and this is the one of them. You see that Africa is great, but out there, the white people will always tell you the only thing they remember Africa for is bad things. They will tell you Africa is this, Africa is corrupt. White people will never tell you these good things. So it is us, we the Africans, we're supposed to be telling the world what is going on in Africa. That's not only bad news that is going on in Africa. There are good things also going on here in Africa. If they tell you that electric car be manufactured here in Burkina Faso, will you agree? If you have not watched any videos about it, you see the reason why it is good for us to showcase our beautiful things out there. To see, oh my God. Just have to press here. Very easy to open it. Then you enter. This is wonderful. This is Africa. They will not show you this in media. White people will not show you this. They will hide this from you. But we the Africans, we are doing this by ourselves, promoting Africa to the world. Yes, Africa must be on top of the world. Yes. Wow. This is not Tesla, guys. Wow. What a wonderful electric cars being produced here in Burkina Faso. Look at them. Sure. Nice. Guys, come and get this one for me. I love this one. You can see they have different names. This one is native. See, they have different names for them. Native. You see this one? Sahel. See, they have different names. This one now can go 350 kilometers away. After you charge it full, it can go for 350 kilometers. This one, the native. (350 kilometers). After charging it, before it can go off, and you charge it again. So now you're seeing. Wow. And this one now can go for 301 kilometers after charging it. This one you're seeing here, Sahel. Do you know the wonderful thing about this one? This one is hybrid, like it is both the electric and the fuel. So when you are driving it with the electric and the electric go off, you turn it to fuel side. You see, you start driving with fuel. You see, or when you are driving with fuel and your fuel got finished inside the car, you switch to electric. This one, Tankuro. This one is both side, fuel and electric. What do you think, guys? Let's know in the comment section. All of these cars are being manufactured here in Burkina Faso, guys. This is not Tesla. This is not UK. This is not America. This is Africa. Burkina Faso, guys. Wow. Shit. Oh my God. Guys, this is wonderful. I've told you that I'm going to be showing you wonderful things about Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso to the world. Africa to the world. And this one too is the air brake too, with fuel and electric. Yeah. So when driving with fuel and your fuel got finished, you switch to the electrics. There's no way it will stop you on the way. Tankuru, the white one. The other one is the green one. This one is the white one. I think they are the same, only different in color. I think this one and this one are the same, but just the color is a difference. Don't think that these cars are already used. No, these are brand new cars, brand new. Like what you are seeing here, they are all brand new cars. Like this one you are seeing here, they're all brand new. I don't need to tell you for you to even know that they are brand new. When you see a brand new cars, you will know already. Yes, these are brand new cars. There are many wonderful good things I'm going to show you in Burkina Faso, guys. So stay tuned. You see, guys. So this is what we are telling you about Africa. Like Africa to the world. Africa must be great. We want the whole world to be talking the good things about Africa, not just the bad ones. This is the reason why we are showing you all of this. You see the beautiful showrooms we have here in Burkina. Who can read French? Can you read this? Do you still think that nothing good can be found in Africa? Do you still have that perception? Let me know what you think in the comment section. There are a lot of good things happening in Africa. So we are here to expose all these good things for the people, the white people, to see that there's something good going on in Africa. Remember, this is Burkina Faso. This is not America. This is Burkina Faso. Cars, electric cars being manufactured here in Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou to be precisely. Tell me what you think in the comment section after watching all these beautiful electric cars I've just showed you, with the one that has fuel too. Like when you are driving with the fuel and the fuel got finished in your car, you'll be like, hey, my fuel has finished. Don't worry, just switch to electric. You continue your journey. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. I'll be showing you and other things you need to know about Burkina Faso. And what is that?
Okay, guys.